55. AB 2718. I may be allowed to withdraw the not pay. 35. 2718 of 2020.
Charge sheet file over. Mr. Nath, few minutes later, as soon as the mention is over, we'll pass the order.
I have a
You
matter.
you leave, Mr. Nath, no problem. We'll
I have a matter.
okay, go ahead.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on criminal petition, Lordship, or motion, Lordship. Next day, any date, Lordship. Next week, next
We
week.
are not taking criminal petition.
Petition.
So make it before the appropriate.
In your bench, Lordship. In your bench. What number? Not a bit.
Fourth. Yes.
May please, the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention supplementary item number 44, my lord.
Hmm.
In this case, I have been newly engaged, my lord, and yesterday I received wakalat from and the petition, my lord. So I need some time, Lordships, for preparing my 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord. I have already sought for records. Deeply obliged, my lord.
My lord, I have a prayer. The motion item number 8, your lordship. So some clerical mistake has been cropped up in the translation copy of the FIR, your lordship. Accused numbers, the name has been mentioned, some clerical mistake that means. So, and in prayer portion, your lordship, BNS section 61 has been made 62, your lordship. So that correction may be allowed.
Put your initials, also correct the copy of the public prosecutor. Not
Yes,
only
your
the
lordship.
court copy, also the copy of the public prosecutor.
Biblium.
Put your initial after correction.
Biblium.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a bail application for tomorrow, lordship. Actually, the mandatory period of 90 days will be over by tomorrow, lordship. Oblige, your lordship.
Yes, just give the case number and police station to either Ms. Vera, Sharma or anyone,
May it please,
so that they can get the information.
Lordship, item number 21 may kindly be adjourned for. I think. Obliged.
In item number 19, charge sheet is submitted, Lordship.
Wait for a few minutes, we'll pass the order.
I beg to mention item 13, adjournment for the day.
On the prayer. Very weak on it. Yes,
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1 and item number 50 supplementary list.
50.
50. Only matter will be adjourned for a week.
What's your good name?
As Talukdar.
Petitioner. 50. 1. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, item number 40, was called, but
40 from which police station?
Gulabganj, please.
Okay, wait for a few minutes, we'll pass the order.
If I pay for new listing for tomorrow, your lordship, is
When did you file? When did you file?
today itself, your lordship.
You have the filing number.
No, your lordship.
Unless you have the filing number, it will not be for you. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, my prayer for listing a case tomorrow, other already 2 cases fixed tomorrow, Your Lordship, out of same case diary, Your Lordship. Bail
When did you-
application regular.
When did you file?
Yesterday, Your Lordship.
What is the filing number?
10843.
You have the
Bail
filing
application.
number.
Yes, Lordship.
It will be listed only when if it is not defective.
Lordship.
Item number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, Sarsit has been filed here.
So give us the number.
Yes, Lordship. White CS number 28/2024, dated 24/11/2024.
28 of 2024.
Yes, Lordship.
28.
28,
Dated
dated 24/11/2024.
Simuloguri case statement 20/2024. Corresponding to GR number 100 public 202. Ready, ma'am. Approach.
Thirty-five also, sir, it has been.
Yes,
filed.
yes. 21. 21. Yes, CS number
White CS number 995. Dated 24/11/2020.
995. 2411.
24/11.
Police station case number 827. Section का तले. Corresponding to GR number 1654. 1654. 2024. One six five nine, generally. 1659. Okay.
That's good.
40.
40 also, sir, it has been filed.
Number
White CS number 240/2024.
240.
240/2024, dated 31/10/2024.
Number 118. 2024. Yeah. All right.
Acknowledged.
Where is Parasar?
He's here, lordship, just coming.
Is he around?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start.
May I please your lordship. Item number 2, lordship, perhaps lordship, it may go to the appropriate bench, lordship. Here, lordship, two persons were arrested, lordship. Bail petition of one of the arrested person was disposed of by Honorable Justice Mitali Thakuria. So, as per the notification dated 30th of May 2024, lordship, it may go there.
It is submitted by Mr. M. Ahmed, counsel for the petitioner. That a coordinate bench of this court have already considered bail application of another arrested accused person. In Agoboni Police Station, case number 87 of 2024, involved in the present application. In view of the above. Registration. What is the, which court have? Give us the order copy.
Justice M. Thakuria.
Honorable Justice Mitali.
Coordinate and link, no? Our lady chief. Honorable Justice. In BA number 3512 of 2024. before the appropriate bench. Mr. Parasar, Mr. Sharma, and Ms. Bora. All of you come this way. All of you come in this middle. Yes, all of you, all of you. We're not accusing you. We want to know from you. Someone informed me that you have not received your monthly remuneration for a long duration. Since when?
Since last September,
Up to August, we have received.
since September
Since
23,
September
we have not
23 September.
There is a division bench judgment of Justice, Honorable Justice Gogoi and Honorable Justice B.K. Sharma, as they were there in that matter. In that matter, Senior Counsel Mr. K. N. Chaudhary was made the amicus. And that order was not only for the, though it is started with the Education Department as I was in that side. Ultimately, that division bench appointing a counsel as amicus curiae, Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, involved the Advocate General, the Finance Commissioner, and all the wings of the government. As per that judgment, your bills should be carried, not only the public prosecutors, but also all the standing counsel of the government on the next month. If it is for the October, it has to be cleared for the first 10 days of the November. Of course, there is a rider that it has to be deposited in time. And there was also direction therein that there has to be a separate budgetary provision, because in that case, the Finance Commissioner committed before the court that they have to need approval from the government. And in that judgment, division bench judgment, it is specifically clear. Mr. Sharma, Narayan Sharma, you might have that order, copy of the order. Do you have a copy of that order? If you have a copy of the order, furnish it to Mr. Parasar Sharma. He was there at that time. And that is a non-compliance of the order of the court. Bring it to our notice. Simply bring it to our notice. We'll do the need. Or you don't have the.
No.
Tell us.
No.
In fact, it was a very simple reason. Justice Sharma pointed out my band. He was telling me that my band has become shorter because I was wearing a longer band. So he pointed out because it is shortened because of non-receipt of their type. That's what he started with.
Yes.
And that's how it proceeded. And that's how the order has come. So that order is still in force. Right? It's a division bench judgment order. Mr. Sharma, give it to Mr. Parasara Sharma and Madam Bora, whoever you will. You give it to them by tomorrow. If not, you have at least the number. You might be having that order.
Number.
You can get it from him.
Yes, Doctor. Highly
And let us know.
for concern.
After getting that order,
Yes,
getting that copy of the order, let us know.
yes.
May I please, Your Lord. This is the regular bail application received under NDPS Act, Lordship. This is the regular bail application Lordship. Under NDPS Act, call for the city Lordship. In this case, petitioner behind the bar.
Karimganj,
Lordship, Special NDPS Act
Petition
already is pending, pending before.
before the court district session just for
Lordship was arrested on
Six.
6, Lordship, 3/6.
more than 5.5 months.
About
5.5 months.
time is coming short.
Lordship, can it be on
Second,
second? Lordship?
positively.
Okay. Lordship, if FSL report is required, then Lordship, it will take some more time.
Get the information.
Lordship.
We also, because the matter is coming up on 6th, we
Lordship.
have already directed Mr. Dipankar Nath to place it before the court.
On
a list
all
of-
the NDPS matters on 12, I think. Lordship.
But true, but here is a case, he will be on her, by second, he will be completing, before second, he will be completing 180 days.
Lordship. We'll take care of that.
Yes.
Obliged.
NDPS matter. Commercial quantity of 152 days behind
Lordship,
This is
from
80,
Procedural.
the.
have it by, after 6th, we'll have it.
Lordship. Lordship, then
12th.
12th.
Obliged. My pleasure, Lordship. DRI, my lord, commercial quantity. LCR, at this stage, my lord. 26/1/24, the date of arrestment.
Twelfth. Legible scan copy of the up-to-date test records. NDPS case number 241/2024. Arising out of
Copy
DRI case number
चाहिए अपना नंबर लेके
21/2023. Along with a copy of the records of DRI case number 21/2023. From the court of Learned Special Judge NDPS from Additional Session Judge number 5 Kamrup Metro Guwahati. 12th.
obliged man. That's obliged.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, NDPS commercial quantity, Lordship, charge case, Lordship. About 300 days behind the trial has not been stated, Lordship. Shall not yet framed, Lordship.
On 18th.
Same call for Lordship.
Same order.
From Korea.
Special NDPS case number 14/2024.
Pending before special
Mother
task
is
for him.
NDPS case number 21/2024. Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS Karimganj. Karimganj Special Judge NDPS from Additional Session Judge Karimganj. Same date.
On 18th, Lordship.
We are fixing on 12. We'll accordingly made it clear. If you cannot finish it on 12, we'll have it on another day.
Lordship.
On the basis of the availability and the dates.
May please. 483 application, Your Lordship, under section, Your Lordship, 612, 3032, 62, 351, 2.
Get the case there.
Lordship,
Yes, sir.
This
On
is from
6th.
Cardian.
on 6th,
6 December. Well, after 9 December.
after 9th. Then in 13th,
13th.
12.
13th.
Possibly.
My lord, this is 483 BNS, regular bail, Your Lordship. So they have already spent more than 60 days, Your Lordship.
This case might have been transferred to CBI, just find out.
Lordship.
You have the list.
Yes.
This is Sibsagar.
Your Lordship, this is Borborua Police Station. This is Borborua Police Station. Borborua Police.
Borburua PS case number.
86, yes, 86/24, Your Lordship. Charges criminal breach of trust and cheating and Barsik, Your Lordship. And 60 days has already elapsed, Your Lordship. So it is just mere allegation, Your Lordship, no way connected, because these alleged accused persons are teachers, your primary school, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. Let us see whether it has been transferred to CBI. If not transferred, then we'll get the case there.
Can it be taken up just after some time? We'll go through properly, Lordship.
No, no, if it is,
Not in.
if it is not in the list, then the get the case diary by 10th and all.
Lordship. About exercise, what?
Case diary on 10th. Just find out whether it has been transferred or not, that's all.
Yes,
10th.
10, 12.
May please, your lordship.
So notice today, take steps
Lordship.
on the opposite party number 3 during the course of the day by serving a copy on the public prosecutor to the registry. Yes, it has to come from
This is
Vishwa-
the Korea.
Yes, 10th, Lordship.
Obliged.
Meet Judicial. Regular bail application matter under section 309, my lord, 181, my lord. Already behind the bar for 7 days, my lord.
Vishwanath Chariali,
Lordship, 10th.
All of them. My lord, can it be 8 or 7, my lord? Hold. Now, I'll have been taken.
if you can have it on 9th or I don't know, we put that.
Nine.
Comes from,
11 to 12.
Then 12, Lordship.
not on 12th. Because we
13th
are
Lordship.
really keeping for all the NDPS items.
13, Lordship.
30.
Much of it.
May please, your lordship. In this matter, my lord, learned APP was asked to obtain instruction, my lord, as to whether charge sheet has been submitted or not, my lord.
Kiman,
68.
Kiman. Items.
43 something.
43,
Rajibul.
43 subject, Lordship. 43 subject.
Get the information after some time,
Yes,
Borpeta
Lordship.
Road,
Yes.
My lord.
it has to come from Borpeta Road.
40.
My lord.
না তার যদি কম আমার তো পেমেন্ট তো দেখছেন না তো আপনি করার ইনস্ট্রাকশন লাগে petition করে
Today is 68th day. 21B.
43 lordship. Item 43. We'll take instruction. Yes, fine.
May please, your lordship. My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, the order indicates that we are absent, my lord. In fact, on that day, lordship
Okay,
has
take
heard,
steps on the respondent number
yes, my lord.
2.
Notice may be issued, my lord. That has not been done, my lord. Notice is
That's
to
what, take steps on the respondent number 2.
my lord.
Inform and respondent number 2. The public prosecutor to the registry. Abhayapuri, ma'am.
Lordship on 10th.
Okay. On 10.
Lordship.
Leave lovely. Please, your lord. First, the matter may kindly pass over for the time being. My senior on that.
Get a case diary next week.
Yes, it's a huge embezzlement of 1 crore 56 lakhs rupees. Lordship.
This is from Basista.
Yes,
Get it on 4th.
Lordship.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time.
Why?
Mr. Esicalism lakes, Lordship.
You'll hear him. Yes, Mr. Paul.
My lord, in this case, the petitioner was arrested in connection with this case on 29th of March 2021 during pandemic. Since then, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, all the accused persons have been granted bail by different courts, including the trial court. So only these two petitioners remain in custody and facing trial. And the progress of the trial, before I would like to inform your lordship, since already 37 dates is passed over. No witnesses has been turned up in this case. Since last 1 year, 3 months. The lordship peruse the record, my lord. So I have calculated total 37 dates. PW4 is absent. Total 11 witnesses in this case. So that is absolutely violation of Satyendra Kumar Antil's case, my lord. Long detention can supersede the embargo of section 37 of the NDPS Act. And in this regard, Honorable Court has passed series of orders while releasing the accused persons on bail, my lord, by imposing certain terms and conditions. And page 15, my lord, one co-accused have been released on bail, one allowed in by order dated 29th of February. Your lordship may peruse page 15, annex 3.
We'll go to the appropriate bench in that case. Heard Mr. A. Paul, counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Miss
N Kakochi.
N. Pakoti. What's your full name?
N Kakochi.
Full name?
Nituma Kakochi.
Giving a deliberation of the matter. By placing an accessory. Mr. A. counsel for the petition. Submitted. That one of the co-accused
Mohammad Alauddin.
that a coordinate bench of this court heard it is it. Honorable Mr. Justice Thomas. Consider the bill application number 4159/2023 of another co-accused in NDPS case number 24/2021 arising out of NCB crime number 07/2021. By order dated 29/02/2024, who was arrested along with the present petition. Next, in view of the above, registry shall place this matter before the appropriate bench.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the petitioner was arrested on 17/8/2024, and today is the 101 day. Lordship.
As on today, 101 days behind the bar, Lordship.
Lordship, the-
CD is not available along with the facility, Lordship.
Lordship, this is the third occasion when the CD is not available. Lordship.
Up to date CD was called for earlier,
Unless CD was there.
perhaps without a facility,
List on 12th
Lordship.
December for up-to-date case of Gorsuk police station case number 247/2023. That was initially called for by order dated 12/09/2024, comma, failing which court shall consider to pass consequential order against the concerned investigating officer of the case as well as the officer in charge.
This case was heard by your lordship number of times, why not? On the point of section 42, as well as the percentage of.
Yes, Mr. Parasar, that notification.
Notification not there, but it's still in the stage, and harassing judgments, it's clear, yes, percentage, yes, properly not given. But even then, this quantity is 380 bottles, 3 kg, around 3 kg, 800 grams.
I don't know, they reduced the volume, my lord, will come to 380 grams only.
No.
What is the FSL?
FSL, my lord, does not indicate any percentage of drugs. And this is not scheduled drug also.
As per the harassing, it has to be on quantity basis, even if it is.
Quantity, but it must be scheduled in the schedule, it is not scheduled even.
For them, it's in the schedule,
No, how, no,
FSL, for them is serial number 28.
No, serial number 20 is all right, but contents is different.
Content is codeine phosphate.
There is no phosphate in this bottle. Neither there is codeine nor phosphate. The calculation doesn't.
If we again go by the mallet, para number 12.2 of the harassing judgment mallet. In case of seizure of mixture of narcotic drugs or psychoactive substance with one or more neutral substances, the quantity of neutral substances is not to be excluded and to be taken into consideration along with the actual content of weight of the offending drug
Yes.
while determining the small or commercial quantity.
But if there is mixture of two, my lord, one having drugs and another not having drugs or having lesser quantity of drugs, then only that paragraph would apply of harassing. In my case, it is not at all.
Then it mixed with water in the cough syrup.
Calculation শোনা 380 গ্রাম বুঝছেন বাবু রাখো 380 গ্রাম হবে 3 কিলো না হয়
হয় যায়
এর মতো একজন দেখেছো না এই যে এটা জাজমেন্ট আছে জাজমেন্ট
Take your seat, Mr. Shan.
হয়ে যাবে and he is in Germany since the last 110 days. No.
Drugs and cosmetic. Like people at the town or মোটা টিকা করতে Yes, Mr. Sharma, which page is the schedule C?
My lord,
Which page is the schedule C?
if I schedule, in the schedule, these drugs, I didn't find this in cough syrup, there is no mention at all.
Which
Right.
schedule? Of the drugs and cosmetics act?
Eh. Oh, sorry, my lord. Okay. I mentioned it, my lord, but I forgot to bring the book. Nothing, so. You see? You need to drugs and cosmetic. Oh, number. The second schedule. You will see.
It will be under drug rules.
Yes. एक ऐसा रूल रखे रूल ऐसा रूल कॉस्मेटिक सेंटर रूल right. Yeah. Mhm.
You come to page number, you read petition. Where is your drug license?
Yes.
Where is your drug license?
Drug license I have annexed it. Just kidding.
Page number 20.
20 to 22, my lord.
Now, kindly read the first paragraph.
Yes.
Badruz Zaman Chaudhary, yes.
Yes, is hereby the license to sell, stick and exhibit of, for offer to of sale, distribute by retail drugs under those specified in the Schedule C, C1 and X of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1945, and to operate pharmacy on the premises of Ma Medical Stores, Mayor Subject to the conditions described below. Also. 23.
This license was valid up to which date?
23.
Yes, 23,
It
which
was
date?
renewed, we say. Okay, it was renewed.
Up to which date?
Here, but it is initially it was from 18 to 23.
14 to 23.
Yeah, from
When the seizure took place?
5 years.
When the seizure took place? During the validity of the license or beyond that period?
Beyond that, beyond that.
So on the
It-
date when
it
the
was in
matters were
20
seized, you didn't have a valid license.
21/3/24.
But I
On the
think
date
it
when
might
it
be,
was
it might not,
seized,
can you
on
get
the date
instruction
when it
too?
was seized, you didn't had a valid license.
Huh?
Now,
Huh?
where you are supposed to keep those
My
things?
lord, my lord, can it be taken 2 months just or that I will get the instruction? Whether it were renewed or not?
Now, secondly,
Yes.
where the premise was very specific. Where is the premise in the license? You read the first paragraph again.
Yes. The premises should be Ma Medical Store, Meherpur.
At Ma Medical Stores, Meherpur. Where is the recovery?
Recovery was during transportation, no?
From his house,
Yes.
beyond the period of license.
No, that license was there renewed that
Question of renewal because it wasn't, that was no valid license on that particular date. It is also not your case.
might have been my renewed. Because
That is after the seizure or whatever, that is a different case.
Yes.
The thing is this, on the date of seizure, you didn't have a valid license.
Whether this license is continuing my lord, since the date
It
of
cannot
issue.
be, that's not the law of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Now
But it
coming
can be
to,
renewed, my lord, in 23, 24.
renewed from which date?
My lord,
From which date?
that instruction I don't have now at present.
And secondly, kindly tell us,
Remuneration.
come to page number 575 of the book. You do have the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, it is Schedule X. Schedule X.
The rules, my lord?
Schedule X.
Just a minute, I'm trying to find out. on my mobile.
It will be under rule, drug rules 1945,
45, wait.
not a big list.
Schedule X, my lord?
Yes.
Just a minute. Ayurvedic. Which one? Schedule X. Right, right. Hmm. Kita mana? Kita lihat web. Ayurvedic medicine. No, No. Person, you know, you bet.
Got it?
Only I couldn't look at in the mobile one.
Okay.
Yeah, no, my license is very important. That we have to. Do you have a photo? Sorry. Good license renewal nine. Case episode. License actually to case law.
Mhm. Okay, we'll pass the order.
I am told that she telephoned my lord,
Hmm.
family members, the man is in jail, it is renewed. Till when and when you renew there is,
After seizure,
yes.
after seizure, if it is from May,
Yes,
it is after seizure, you didn't have a valid license.
Hmm.
Plus it was seized from your residence, not from the.
residence is my lord a sort of, because pharmacy is
Your
small,
permission was granted on a particular place.
to
It was
to
not
sell,
extended to your house.
but there the my lord, some stocks are kept there, other medicines are there.
You do not know, but thing is this, as per the license,
But my,
Very
that
clear.
apart, my lord,
Hmm.
whether they have complied with
your
the,
only case is that it comes under Drugs and Cosmetics Act, right?
yes.
So
That
it is
is-
not
that is
a,
one thing,
not
one,
under a schedule NDPS item.
Yes. And secondly, my lord, that section 42 compliance,
Hmm.
there is lacking. Thirdly, my lord, the percentage not at all mentioned in the.
That
Yes,
is,
that, because your lordship,
Hira Singh clarifies.
your lordship, we will certainly go on the basis of the case diary. What is the finding of the investigation officer and in the investigation of the case? So that is the guiding factor, my lord, for grant of bail or the refusal of bail.
Okay.
The license is informed to be have been renewed
From May.
beyond the after the lapse of the earlier license. Before the lapse of
After the
2020,
lapse of earlier license, renewed from when?
that within 10 minutes there, because the man is in jail, my lord, the family
He was
member.
not in jail, he was absconding. He also filed application for
No, man, he was arrested.
Jimma of his vehicle. He was arrested later in the month of
He
August.
was arrested, man.
Subsequently arrested, Manoj.
He was arrested
11,
on
8, 20,
He was arrested in August. He
August.
filed his,
August, yes.
and the
8
incident
August.
occurred in March.
March.
8 August, he was.
Hmm. Okay, we'll pass the order.
Yes.
List on 29 for necessary order. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, and its senior counsel. Assisted by MS R. Rongmei, London Counsel for the petition. And Mr. K. Porasal, and additional public prosecutor at some point of time. List on such and such. Order to heavily interview the.
Acknowledgement.
May I please, Your Honor? I pray for withdrawal of the matter, Your Lordship, as the petitioner has expired, Your Lordship.
Hmm. When did he expire?
Very recently, Your Lordship.
Do you have the date?
Not with me right now, Your Lordship.
What's your good name?
El Hangzo, on behalf of Mr. S.A. Hussain, Your Lordship.
Borua. Full name to it. You are appearing on behalf of whom?
Mr. S.A. Hussain, Your Lordship.
Okay. Full name. And appearing on. Okay. Heard, Mr. Sarpanch, Learned Counsel. On behalf of Mr. Samsul Alam Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Sharma, Additional Public Prosecutor Assam, for the state. Petitioner Abdul Rasid alias Broiler was arrested on filed his bail application under section 439 CFC, praying for his bail in special POCSO case number 99/2024, arising out of Lahorighat Police Station case number 105/2024, pending before the court of learned special judge POCSO Morigaon, in which he was a search-cited accused under section 376 AB IPC, read section 6 of the POCS Act. During deliberation of the matter, Mr. Such and such he arrested on case number 2805/2022, submitted learned counsel for it, such as on instruction submitted that the petitioner Abdul Rashid alias Broiler, son of late Abdul Hakim, resident of village Dewaguri, ward number 2, police station Lahorighat, district Morigaon, Assam, have expired. Full stop. Expired recently. Superintendent public jailer, district jail Morigaon, cell, report about the said fact. The investigating officer, the officer in charge of Lahorighat police station, as well as the superintendent of jailer of the district jail Morigaon, shall apprise the court about the said fact, correctness of the said fact, on the next date, released on 13th. Copy of this order to Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, for his necessary use. List accordingly on 13th.
Much grateful, Your Lordship.
In this case, on 5th of November, directed to update the CD. We have sent the signal on 6/11/24 immediately. Here, the IO himself is a deputy SP of the Nalbari district. Today morning, our office staff talked with the OC. They have not bring taken the schedule for updating. Regarding the telephone analysis and all these are not received.
If your lordship remembers the case that is in respect of that bomb episode, my lord, I can ask to wait for another 3 weeks. And it is more than 2 months, my lord. Now it is 64 days.
One phone call came from Hong Kong, in his mobile. And
See, Nalbari police station, law and order situation, enjoying Rah or what?
the information also not given. That is shocking. Just sometime before we have
See, for that purpose, the person cannot
At
be
least-
detained in custody.
but the case is sensitive. Only
Maybe sensitive,
one,
but
one,
have to have the report.
one last chance. Immediately next week, any date.
Give us a date, otherwise the IO and the OC have to be here to sort it. Tell us.
On 4th.
You take the call and do the needful. We are not doing anything else. Up to
On
you.
4th.
Sure.
4th.
Today is 26th.
Yes, 26. Today itself I'll.
In the share of Mr. K. Porasal on it, additional public prosecutor, matter be fixed on 4th of December, enabling him to place the 11 instruction that was sought for by the court earlier on 24/10/2024. No, regarding the CDR report, right?
CDR. Not only CDR, it was sent to the regarding the WhatsApp call, it was sent to the
The on placing him the up-to-date case. Right?
Maybe his lordship. So in this case, lordship petitioner is behind in the 48 days lordship, 2 days lordship.
Yes.
ED received lordship here. He was found in possession of 14 numbers of cows lordship. He was smuggling them to Meghalaya lordship, and till date lordship, no one has appeared before the IO lordship regarding the ownership of the cattle, nor any documents have been submitted. That is the case.
Heard Mr. M. Hussain, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. Sharma. Underline for a name. Corresponding to GR number 59572022. As per the FIR, dated 09/10/2024. Of the case in hand, the allegation against the petitioner is that during the night patrolling on 09/10/2024, on receipt of a specific information from source that stolen cows were illegally taken to Meghalaya to Milanpur and Umsiang. And in the morning, early morning, on 09/010/2024, around 3 a.m. during Naka checking, few persons were found taking 14 numbers of cattle to the said through Milanpur. Singh police all the persons fled away, leaving the cattle. But during the process, the petitioner could be arrested, could be detained, could be apprehended. He was taken into custody, and those 14 numbers of cattle were seized. During interrogation, it came to the light that those cattle were taken towards Bangladesh through Meghalaya. The petitioner failed to close any documents pertaining to those cattle seized in the case, and as such, was that those were stolen cattle. Accordingly, Mr. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, from the case there is submitted that till that nobody has come forward claiming the cattle seized in the case. That itself indicates that those have been stolen from different parts and were taken to Meghalaya. Considering the detention of the petitioner since 09/10/2024 and the materials in the case there, the court is of the view that further custodial claims on the petitioner such is not warranted for investigation of say of the NDPS case number. As such, 40,000 to local share. But the condition to correct.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the petitioner was arrested on 10th of July 2024 in connection with Kitabo PS case number 42 of 24.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, 10/7.
Yes, Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted, Lordship, against the present petitioner.
In that case, your lordship can obtain a call for from the special judge Jorhat, your lordship. Because in the FIR there are two accused. The prime accused is the husband of the petitioner, your lordship. The petitioner has had no knowledge about the contraband substance of this.
When the charge sheet was filed?
25/10, Lordship.
And prime accused was arrested on 13/11/2024.
Heard Mr. S. Tai, Learned counsel for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma for a petitioner, namely Srimati Sangeeta Das. Was arrested on 10/06/2024 As filed this bail application under section 37 of the NDPS Act, section 483 of the NSS. Arising out of Peterborough police station case number. Filed application was arrested in connection with Peterborough PS case number 42/2024. Corresponding to GR number 118/2024. Has filed this application under section 26 for her bail inside NDPS case. Earlier on zero 07092024, bail application of the petitioner was rejected by learned Special Judge NDPS Jorhat. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, on instruction submitted that charge sheet in the case that police after completion of the investigation filed charge sheet in the case by CS number
58 dated 25/10/2014.
in view of the above, petitioner may approach the appropriate forum for his regular bail. Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
For the information, it was top three on 14/11. Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
it has to come from
Default.
Deepu.
Lordship, regarding the service of notice, Lordship, after some time, Lordship, I will take the instruction, Lordship. The scan copy was called for, Lordship, whether it has been received or not. Lordship. Because in the cause list, it is not shown, Lordship.
It was called from the concerned Deepu police station,
Oh,
not from the court.
also,
That is why there is no report.
record should be required, Lordship, because
That will be on the police station only. Charge sheet has not been filed.
no, he is submitting, Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted. Trial is going on.
No, trial is going.
Is it?
And my lord, he is in my lord, judicial custody for more than 6 months, my lord. And the rejection order will get my lord last page, my lord.
Scan copy will be required then, Lordship.
List on 13th. Registry shall call for the scanned legible copy of the POCSO case number 28/2024 arising out of Deepu police station case number 25/2024 from the court of learned Special Judge POCSO Deepu, Karbi Anglong Deepu, as well as the copy of the case file of the police station case number 25/2024. On the said date, on 13/12/2024, the officer in charge of Deepu police station through the public prosecutors Assam shall apprise the court as to whether notice of this bail application about the status of report of service of notice of this bail application on the informant opposite party number 2. List accordingly.
May I please, Your Lordship? But in this case, when I am moving bail for Jihadul Islam, who was
subsequently arrested on the allegation of the co-accused, my lord. But the co-accused statement I have annexed, my lord. They have nowhere involved me, my lord. And my lord, Caesar list also, Caesar witness also, witness, I am.
You are Mr.
I am Jahidul Islam, my lord. And not a single Caesar witness has stated that anything was found from my position, my lord. I filed a discharge petition also, my lord, but court below has rejected it and fixed for evidence. My lord, more than a year, my lord, I am behind the bar. Almost, I am behind the bar since 13/12/23. My lord, case was charge sheeted on 29/2/24. But till today, not a single witness have been examined, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, I am relying in the CCDS case, my lord. Delay in trial, my
What
lord.
was the recovery?
Nothing from me.
Lordship, it was supposed to be handed over to the present petitioner, Lordship.
But nobody has stated that. I have annexed the statement of the co-accused, my lord.
And charges is already framed, Lordship, under section.
The charge of
24C.
frame, that's why we have
Yes.
filed for discharge also, but it was not considered.
6.18 grams of yaba tablets, which contains methamphetamine. Lordship. And as on record, Lordship, after framing of charge, Lordship, there is nothing I have found, Lordship. We need a up-to-date status report.
Well, the question is that it was supposed to give us handover. There is no such evidence, my lord.
Trial is yet to be initiated, I think.
Huh?
Examination to Pune.
That is also not put at the time of.
Lordship, trial was, charge was framed on 39/2024, Lordship.
Yes.
At this stage, Lordship may call for updated status report. Okay. Okay, so next.
Mr. Biswas, what happened on 21st of 11th? What happened on 21st of 11th?
My lord, that copy I should not have.
Accepting this, that submission, do you have anything else to make? Anything that it has not been recovered from you?
Nothing has been recovered from me.
Anything else you have to?
To my humble suggestion, nothing has been recovered and nobody has, feature list also does not indicate that anything recovered from me.
Okay. 29 for order. First year.
Then
Himansh Professor Jain अर्थात कोड ब्लैक नाउ का वो डायरेक्टर ने फोन कर लिया क्यों ना है कैन को भेज ना कि
Okay, we pass the order.
obliged.
Development.
এটা তো নহয় পটাছিলাম বলে
May it please, your lordship. My lord. 483 petition, your lordship. So I am behind the bar for 56 days, your lordship. 60 days is the statutory period.
Earlier some orders have been passed.
Yes, your lordship. I have the order, your lordship. May I pass on, lordship, this is the order. It will hurry up, Mohidul, no?
No, তুমি এটা মারা recently last week. Last week মারা এটা আপনি কই দিও এই পটাহিলামবাড়ি পুলিশ
Parallel to Kuidu, my lord, some other orders are also been passed.
give it to us, you know that
Lordship.
you are in custody since when?
Since lordship on 2/10/2024, your lordship. As on that 56 days, your lordship.
55 days
55 days.
What about the other?
Lordship.
There are two different cases. One is Imran Hussain, other is
Yes, your lordship. I am for Imran Hussain, your lordship. I am for Ansar Hussain, Ansar Ali.
Ansar Ali.
Ansar
who
Ali.
is appearing for 26.
Imran Hussain, I am also appearing for Imran Hussain, your lordship. This is the anticipatory, your lordship.
But it's a different case.
No, arising out of same affair, your lordship.
But it is
The only difference is
registered in another PPS, no? It will be.
Yes, it is the same.
But 25 is Potasilambar.
26 is
Maybe potential, but arising out.
it's some different police station.
Well, some mistake maybe there my lord, on our part, no?
No, other day also that question arises because it.
Also Potasilam. Yes.
Yes.
Same my
It's
lord,
the same, my lord.
same my lord, Potasilambari 252.
Kindly give us the case there.
My lord.
So far the item number 25 is concerned, your lordship. Ready to procedural. Digo, manimo le gusta lo. No, pero confused. There is only 25 pretty over.
একদম মরে গেল নাকি আসলো এটা ফাঁকা ছিল ইয়ে করা নাকি পরিচয় তো কলম দিয়ে লিখাতে কেমন টাইম লাগে
Don't take your seat.
গভর্নমেন্ট এমপ্লয়ি ম্যানেজ করা দেখো পাওয়া নাই ম্যানেজ করা দেখো পাইনি যে কোনো একটা ম্যানেজ করতে হবে এটা অ্যান্টিসিপেটরি
Okay. Then we'll pass the order.
Lordship, so for the item number 26 is concerned, your Lordship. So many co-accused are there, your Lordship, is aware of the facts, your Lordship. My only submission, your Lordship, so far the this bailor is concerned, your Lordship, the government employee may not be given, your Lordship. And because I don't have that. And so far item number 25 is concerned, your Lordship, I am not denying the fact that I have not taken the loan, but I have been regularly paying the EMI, your Lordship, before the bank, your Lordship. And on that ground, your Lordship, this bailor, this other co-accused and.
So that you are paying regular loans.
Lordship. In item number 25, your Lordship. In 26, your Lordship, I have been paying you, Lordship.
Bank statement.
It.
You file an application.
Let me go.
Get a record from the,
So far the 26 is concerned, your Lordship.
get a letter from the bank.
And so far the 25 is concerned, your Lordship, the EMIs are there, your Lordship, from page 19 to 21, your Lordship.
This is, we are talking about Imran Hussain, not
No,
about
it
others.
is busy by you.
Get a letter from the bank, branch manager, that you are paying regularly.
Lordship.
Then only will consider, otherwise reject. By submitting forced document, you will be obtaining bank from the public money. Otherwise reject.
Because your Lordship, one intermediary is there, your Lordship.
That doesn't matter, you have deposited before all the submitted forced document before the bank. The public bank, public money is involved. Cannot go like that.
But your
After
Lordship,
you will reject it.
but Lordship, we have
25 will consider,
26, your Lordship.
26 will reject.
26, 56 days, your Lordship.
25 is 56.
56. It will
be 26.
Yes, your Lordship.
55.
25 allow, 26 reject.
Obviously.
Made with the Lordship. Well, regular bill application, my lord. The petitioner should also was arrested on my lord 23/10/2024. FIR Lordship find at page 9, my lord.
Is there explain education?
Relevant person is page 10, my lord. 134 bottles of Codicon tea was found in the pharmacy of the petitioner. That is the case. It was called for my lord.
We have received the case diary, Lordship.
You have the case there.
Yes, Lordship, but the FSL report is not received, Lordship.
Not required, give it to.
Matlab, what happened? Matlab, Codicon tea, matlab, 10 100 ml bottle, only 10 mg of matlab, codeine is present. That is matlab, 0.1 ml, 0.01 ml. That is below 2.5%. Yes, specified in
What is the law? It should be separated or it should be considered together.
My lord,
What is the law laid down by the apex court? That it should be considered separately or it should be considered along with the liquid, entire liquid to be considered as a drug?
my lord,
What is the law laid down by the apex court?
my lord, the percentage of the particular substance.
So was that particular judgment that if it is a mixture of a liquid, only the percentage should be considered. So was that judgment of the apex court. Before making submission, you are standing in the bar is quite long. You have to make such submission on the basis of certain materials. Don't make such submission without anything like that. Tell us first. In case of liquid, we are talking about. In case of liquid, what is the law? To us. Mr. Saikia,
My lord.
you are pressing two decisions of Punjab High Court. Punjab and Haryana High Court
My lord.
decided on 25th of April 1996 and 10th of March 1997.
Yes, sir.
What is the laid down by the apex court thereafter? Don't make such submission before this court particular. You go to the law and tell us.
Judgment,
Go to the law and tell us.
My lord.
We don't expect such kind of submission from you. What is the law? That is we are asking you.
Yes, my lord. I'll.
To make your submission next Monday if you want.
My lord.
The prayer will be counsel for the petitioner list. Written the case there.
Lordship, on second,
Obliged, my lord.
First of all, remember, Mr. Saika, you are a court officer,
Yes, my lord.
not only a counsel for your client.
May I please your lordship? As on date, your lordship, I am behind the bar for last 47 days, your lordship. CD was called for.
PD lordship has been received lordship, but it is not. Further investigation is required lordship because lordship one vehicle has been found from his possession. He could not produce any documents relating to the vehicle lordship. And he stated lordship that he has bought it from Arunachal lordship, from one unknown person. Thereafter lordship, the registration number of the vehicle was traced lordship. And details has been found lordship that this vehicle belongs to one Shabnam lordship, Shabnam Gulshan of Hubri lordship. Thereafter lordship, the IO has tried to contact the person lordship for her statement lordship. Lordship, message has been sent lordship. The lordship, thereafter lordship, her statement lordship, his statement lordship is not in the case diary lordship. What has happened after that lordship, that is not in the case diary.
For that, do you need, he is in custody since when? 11/10.
11, lordship, 11.
For that, you did not have that person in custody.
From 15/10 lordship.
The vehicle has already been recovered.
Yes.
From his possession.
Yes. That is there.
And when did the IO forwarded the case diary?
Received just now lordship.
What is the note of the IO?
Note lordship, nothing as such lordship. Last entry lordship regarding that is there. Trying
Which
to
date? Last entry in the case diary.
15/10.
Effective inquiry. There will be many dates maybe in the case diary, but the effective inquiry.
15/10. 15/10.
15/10.
On 15/10, he tried to contact the original registered owner lordship.
And when did he forward it to you?
Case diary lordship. 26/11. Today. Just now lordship we have received
No,
the
no.
case diary.
His forwarding will be something else.
Forwarding lordship 26/11.
What's on the case diary?
Lordship.
Very good.
Heard Mr. B Das, counsel for the petitioner. and Mr. B. Sharma, and additional public prosecutor, appearing for this. document. Arrested on 11/10/2002. As per the affair of the case, there is 11/10/2024. Before the officer in charge of Richard Sareli Police Station. The allegation against the petitioner is that the petitioner was driving a white color Hyundai Creta vehicle bearing registration number AS 17L 9101 without having any number plate on its backside. It was coming towards Rahul from side of a test road along with another. While the car was intercepted, the petitioner could not place any valid document pertaining to the said vehicle, nor could place any material pertaining to its proof of ownership of the said vehicle. In spite of giving him time, he also failed to place any valid document, with regard to the said such and such vehicle, except making a statement that he had purchased the said vehicle at Arunachal Pradesh and was proceeding to Arunachal Pradesh. With suspicion that it's a stolen car, as the petitioner failed to place any particular document of the vehicle that he was driving, he was taken into custody and accordingly arrested. Hence this period. By order dated 12/11/2024, the court called for the relevant case there. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor, while placing the copy of the case diary, submitted that matter needs further investigation. And as such, the petitioner, who is from state of Arunachal Pradesh, should not be released on bail, at least for some period, so as to record the statement of other acquainted witness of the case. From the case there, it is seen that the concerned investigating officer after arresting the petitioner in the case on 11/10/2024 and producing him before the Learned Cesium Biswanath Chariali, did not proceed with the investigation of the case except seeking the call detail reports of the three mobile numbers, one of the one that is of the petitioner, another that of the person from which the petitioner allegedly purchased the vehicle, and the third, the person in whose name the vehicle is registered. For the case diary placed before the court today doesn't contain any other investigating report as to whether petitioner belongs to the address concerned that he has provided, or whether the particular person from whom the petitioner purchased the vehicle exists in the particular address given by petitioner, and whether the name, the petitioner, the person in whose name the vehicle is in the case appear in the matter, or who statement has already been recorded. The case diary up to 15/10/2024 is totally silent on that paper. While forwarding the case diary, the concerned IO by his communication dated 26/11/2024 only objected that the petitioner should not be released on bail as he is from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. And if released on bail, he may not be. Then that he may not make himself available before such a charge. Considering the materials in the case and his custody in the case since 11/10, the court is of the view that further custody retention of the petitioner is not warranted. One lakh, 2 local surety each. One shall be government employee. Condition to correct. Lay down the passport. And then the judicial magistrate, petitioner, and the
Diploma.
Lordship, the petitioner, your lordship, is a 19-year-old boy, your lordship. and behind bar for 7 months, Your Lordship. He was arrested, Your Lordship, on 27/3/2024, Your Lordship. And subsequently, search sheet is filed, but till date, no witness has been examined, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, if Your Lordship, since record has come, Your Lordship, may kindly go to the statement of the victim guard.
Your Lordship,
Regarding the instruction, man, whether Thursday has been filed or not.
not filed, Lordship, as per telephonic instruction, Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. That's counsel appearing for the petition. Mr. Sharma, additional public prosecutor. While making search by police. or due authority. Police personnel from Borpeta Road Police. 10.08 grams of suspected heroin recovered from the physical possession of the petitioner. Accordingly, he was apprehended and arrested on 18/09/2024 and in custody since then. And this bail application of the petitioner for his release on bail, right. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Sharma, the Judicial Prosecutor, submitted that due to non-receipt of the FSL report, search it in the case could not be submitted till date. Since 18/9/2024 till date, the petitioner is in custody for 60 days and thereby completed the mandatory period taken under section 21. Due to non-filing of SRC within the statutory period prescribed under the NDPS, the petitioner is entitled for condition. Special Judge NDPS Borpeta.
Value of blessing. My lord, the petitioner is behind bar in connection with this case since last 8 months, my lord. In the meantime, since charges were framed on 1st of June, and thereafter victim has been already been examined, so there is no any reason to allow the prosecution to keep him behind bar, my lord. And if you lordship would examine the allegations of the prosecution allegations, that those are highly improbable. Because on since 5th of March, if she was missing, in the meantime, on 27th of March, FIR was lost. And no any missing report, no any FIR has been lost against due to missing of this victim girl by the any parents of the victim. So this also shows that the prosecution case is highly doubtful, and leaving apart the merit of the case, the prosecution has right to prove their case beyond reasonable doubt before the trial court. So at any condition, my lord, considering the length of detention, my prayer before your lordship to release me. And so far as medical report, if your lordship will find at page 40, my lord, there is no recent symptoms of any sexual intercourse.
Twenty-six 09/2024 up to 30/11/2024. List on 12/12/2024. We'll have it on 12.
May it please allow. Well, this matter, my lord, involves commercial property, my lord. Page number 20, my lord, charge sheet, my lord. There are 9 witnesses, my lord. Out of them, my lord, around 7 witnesses have been examined.
Last, my lord, on 14/11/24, last status report came, my lord, PW number 7 were examined. Next date is 12/12/24 for evidence.
So let this matter
So
be
out of
taken
9,
after 12 months.
On the prayer of the council for the parties, release this matter on 18th of December.
An up-to-date scan copy may be called for, my lord. In the meantime, it will be-
Let the complete and we'll see.
my lord.
service report.
The last occasion, lordship call for a scan copy of the report, my lord.
My lord, regarding the service, my lord, from our office, my lord, it was sent on 26th of 10. But we have not get information, my lord. Trying to my lord, call with the my lord, OC, but scan copy আসছে scan copy আনা নাকি এটা scan copy আছে না scan copy আছে নাকি আনা scan copy রেকর্ড শো করা নাই scan copy তো রেকর্ড শো করা না
Charge sheet file when
charge sheet 16 charge sheet on 31/7/24 Exactly.
By order at 11/11/2024, the court called for the scanned copy of the records of up-to-date scanned copy of the record. The scanned copy of the up-to-date records of Dudhnoi Police Station case number 35/2024, corresponding to GR number 430/2024, along with the copy of the case diary relating to Dudhnoi PS case number 35/2024 from the Court of Learned Special Judge Poxo Golpara.
Madam, of a special POXO case number 73/24, the case just committed, madam.
Which has been subsequently registered as special
Case
within bracket POXO bracket close case number 73/2024 from the Court of Right. Itu agak সময় sentence to পড়ি যাবে কিন্তু fixing the matter today. Do by order, do by communication dated 13/11/2024. Information was sent to the Special Judge Poxo Golpara. Office note dated 25/11/2024 indicates that registry did not receive said record from the Court of Learned Special Judge Poxo Golpara as yet. List on 9th for up-to-date records of such and such, special POXO case number such and such, along with the case diary, copy of the case diary. Such and such. Registry shall forthwith communicate this order. Special Judge Golpara.
Procedural 2 and 2. That's the provisional arrest. 1908.
What is the recovery?
250 grams, my lord, actually commercial, and 364 grams with cover. Now your lordship, that Hirashing case is the only Supreme Court case, my lord. And that thereafter, my lord, that case has been read in Delhi High Court also, my lord. Last July, my lord. So Hirashing case is completely on this point, my lord. This, that ultimately it will be 200, my lord, it is less than your lord, that will be deducted now.
250 is the, but with the box it is 260, without the box it is 250.
No.
Yeah.
250 the commercial quantity. It was found by 364 grams total. So if you price my, it will come to 245 grams. My. Yeah? Yes. In our calculation, my lord, if you take 1 gram per minimum, my lord, or maximum, that it will come to 245. And today, what do say?
1990.
1990. Last year, lordship is
You have the case diary or record?
case day, lordship.
You have.
It's still.
Give it to us. What is the inventory report?
Yes, it is here, lordship.
These are our inventory.
Inventory, lordship. Yeah. It says, madam, found to be that
Total weight, my lord, here they have given page 14, your lordship will find. Total weight of the recovered heroin in whole to 364 grams, which is you counted in the same was substantial. And without cover, with cover, my lord. Page 17 with container. Page 17, my lord, column number 6.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you have to?
Here, in the FIR also, Lordship, the quantity that has been seized, Lordship, is 119 small plastic vials containing suspected heroin, found to be 230 grams. And that apart, Lordship, there are three more articles that has been seized: 46 grams, 44 grams, 44 grams. So total it comes to, Lordship, if we add 230 and these three, Lordship, it comes to 364. Now, Lordship, I have gone to the
Now,
inventory.
with regard to 46 grams of suspected in plastic package, 46, 44 and 44, it becomes 134.
134.
Now, 134, what we have seen from the inventory
Yes,
is that each of the plastic packet contains 2 gram.
Lordship.
So we have to minus 6 gram from 134.
Lordship.
Then it becomes 128 gram.
128.
Now, regarding 119 vials
Lordship.
containing suspected, this is 230 grams.
Yes.
So what will be the weight of the vial?
That is the difficulty, Lordship. Now, it is not
2 grams if it is. If you multiply my,
Small, yes, according to you, how much each vial will be?
it will be my lord, but we have calculated minimum 1 gram mile. Even minimum 1 gram we take, it comes to 250, 245. Minimum 1 gram if you take.
So 119 gram
Yes,
from 230.
to 364. From 364. The rest will same, my lord. The rest is packet also there. Some weight will be there, my lord. Plastic packet. Let us take another 5 gram or 3 gram mile. So it will not be more than 240 maximum. 240 maximum. The plastic packet is also the 3 packet.
Also, this inventory having been made in front of the magistrate law under 52A. Lordship.
But there is,
No,
it was there is no such thing before the learned magistrate with regard to the weight of the vials.
Yes. Otherwise, Lordship, in other cases, we have seen that always the net weight is mentioned, Lordship, after deducting the vial weight or the packets weight, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, I have not seen that, Lordship. The inventory also, Lordship, I have done to a different time.
This was done when this
But from FIR, forwarding report,
this is what
everything.
is the intentionality of the concerned police officer. Because prior to this happened in August 2020. Prior to there was a meeting.
Okay.
The High Court, the honorable judges of the High Court, the police officers, concerned persons from the NDPS were there, and the DGP office.
Okay, what
This has happened at where around.
Lordship, in my respectful submission, Lordship, what
Now
Lordship,
just see, basically, the vials will be, if the plastic package is about 2 gram, as you have seen from the
yes,
inventory,
yes,
transparent plastic packet found to be 2 gram.
Lordship,
At least these vials will be minimum of 1 gram.
Yeah, minimum.
If it is 1 gram,
then also Lordship,
minus 119 from
190.
230,
Yes.
230 gram, then it will become how much? Only 111 grams.
yes,
and 111 grams plus 134 minus 6. It will become 238. So less than commercial. Charge sheet not filed.
I understand. That is the issue there. Yeah, I can also understand that 119 small plastic vials.
You can,
Yes, yes.
if you can have any information from the IO that what will be the weight of the vial. You can go to any medicine shop, you can get a vial, etc. Ask the IO who has done the weight. Ask him to keep.
Lordship, once the inventory is made, Lordship, once the inventory is prepared, Lordship, there is a minimal chance of, Lordship, once again.
Not that normal, because because here what we have seen in case there is not even the photograph of the vial.
Lordship.
Accepting those packets, the seal packet, there is no photograph of the vial.
Lordship. To the naked eye, Lordship, we can understand, Lordship, because 119 vials, 1 gram is minimum, Lordship. It will be more than that.
No, there will be more.
Yes.
You have the
More.
vials of the homeopathic shops.
Yes,
It will
yes.
be more.
More, it will be more. We have
Right.
calculated
Yes. But here
minimum
we have
minor I have
seen
calculated.
from all these records.
Yes, certainly to more
vials
minor.
for whatever they are using it for
That's
the
right,
drugs
and
and others, it's a different.
We have
kind
the
of-
idea of minor that medicine minor.
Those vials,
Yes.
plastic vials will not be much.
Yes.
They are from the age of minor, allopathic minor. We are having the age of that, that vehicle minor.
If you can have any information from the IO, we can wait for 1 or 2, not beyond that. This is the and this shows the intentional efficiency of the.
Lordship can dispose of, Lordship.
Dispose of. But we will get the order, we'll fix it for day after tomorrow.
Radiologist. So I maybe he will be there. Obliged to. We have given 2 copies, madam.
I will look into it.
Yes, your lordship is very aware.
On 29th. These are the conducts of the IO. Less than 20 for all.
29. Obliged.
May I place your lordship? Lordship, scan copy of the LCR was called for lordship, received lordship. And already 3 witnesses, including the informant, has been examined lordship. And the accused is behind the bar since 188 days lordship.
What is the quantity?
It's 41.34 kg lordship.
Of
Ganja. Ganja lordship.
just a minute. At this stage rejected.
Lordship.
At this stage rejected.
Lordship.
10 out of 4 witnesses already been recorded up to October.
Yes.
So at this moment, the prosecution are getting their evidences according to. Will reject at this stage.
Lordship. Obliged.
UB Burman, right?
Lordship.
U Burman.
UB Sharma.
UB Sharma, sorry. Rejected at this.
Obliged.
Or AB, BNA, AB. Only.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, the suspected ganja of a 20 kilogram was not recovered from my custody. Lordship, the seizure list is Lordship.
Here also, Malat Sasit on Malat 30th of June 26, till that 3 witness examined out of 6. 3 witness examined on the same day, 12/11/24. Charges were framed on 7/8/24. In 30th of June, Sasit, after around 1 month, charges were framed, and now on 12/11, 3 witness examined.
Lordship, in this case, the suspected ganja not recovered from my custody, Lordship.
What is the FSL report? Mr. Tarasar. Out of 6, 3 has been recorded.
Yes, madam. FSL report is collected, but how much? It's ganja.
What is the next date?
Next, in December,
Cannabis. FSL report.
Cannabis.
What's cannabis? Total recovery?
20 kg, 450 gram.
But Lordship, from my custody, it was not a recovered Lordship. Neither I am the owner of the vehicle Lordship.
No,
and
PW2 has stated. PW1 has identified that he is the person, and 2 stated that from the bag mallet it was open.
Lordship, in this case, the ganja was recovered from the custody of a Isap Ali Lordship, and he was not arrested by the police. And the Lordship, I am not the owner of the vehicle from where the contraband was recovered. And the Lordship, only on the basis of a suspicion that I have been arrested by the police. And the Lordship, the Jima of the vehicle is given to the owner of the vehicle. And he was not a party accused in this case, Lordship. And the Lordship, the owner of the vehicle sent me to the police station. Only that point of the time the police arrested me. And the Lordship, the contraband was not recovered from my custody. Only on the basis of a suspicion, Lordship, I have been arrested.
Already
The Lordship, kindly pay to the FIR, Lordship.
Only theory is examined, this will come when the other witness will examine.
Lordship, in this case, the investigating agency did not investigate the matter properly because the owner of the vehicle was not arrested. And it was recovered from the custody of Isap Ali, and he was not arrested by the police. Only I went to the police station. My brother-in-law, who is the owner of the vehicle, he sent me to the police station, Lordship. At that time, Lordship, when I reached the police station, the police arrested me. And the Lordship, the contraband was not recovered from my custody.
Already suscited, now 3 witness examined out of 6, my lord.
And the Lordship, I am behind the bar of 226 days, Lordship. Lordship, there is a strong ground for believing that I have not committed the offense. Because Lordship, contraband not recovered from my custody and the incident occurred in the night. And the police did not see me, Lordship. And the Lordship, interestingly, that the Isab Ali from whose custody the contraband was recovered, he was not arrested. The owner of the vehicle was not arrested. Lordship, kindly peruse the seizure list. Lordship.
Pass the order on Monday.
Lordship, by presidential Lordship, I may be allowed to go on bail. Already I behind about 226 days.
Where are the case diaries available? Just tell us.
Case there is also speaking.
My lord, item 32.
No? 54,
54 to কি কইছে
গাড়ি আছে
মই 6 তারিখ পিছত লম
এটা ডেট লিখি দিল ইয়াতে লিখি দিল পিছত তাতে লিখি দিল 56 আছে আছে
Say, there are certain matters in which there are case diaries. Out of those, he will let you know the number Tomorrow, those will be taken immediately after motion. The rest, day after tomorrow, the rest 5 will be taken immediately after motion. And on the 29th, the next 3 will be taken up immediately after motion.